Here we go. I'm going to do another 5-6 blades, fresh charge, some buttercut blades, nice blades. I've done it before. Let's see how it goes. Almost done. Still a little work in here. Okay, grind is all done, grind is done. I'm not getting any buildup of grit on the back rail. There's no buildup of grit here. That's one blade, one comb. Nice grind. Here's a 3F. I usually like to do my bigger blades first on a regular grit charge. There it is. Nice grind line. No buildup, no buildup. Same thing, nice grind pattern, no buildup. No grit. Third blade, buttercup, number 30. All shot up there. Same thing. Nice grind, no buildup, nice grind pattern. Nice grind, no buildup, no buildup. This is the fourth blade we're doing now. Just to show you, they are used blades. Sparking pattern is the same. Just to show you that it doesn't eat it away like crazy. I made 5 back and forth passes. I still need to do some work over here. Nice grind, no buildup, no buildup. Blade number 5 is a buttercut 30 with broken tooth. Nice sparking, same as the first blade, no different. Grind, no buildup. blade number 6. 7. 6 is a 7. Same sparking. I'm not eating any metal. I'm not chewing up the blade. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful grind. Goodbye. Beautiful, beautiful. What I'm doing when I'm charging the plate, I think in the case of this paste, I believe less is more. The first time I did a video for you guys, I went around the plate pretty quick. I could have put more paste on. I didn't. It worked beautiful. I've gone to my other machine. I've been working it on my other machine, which eats up the paste because of the groove. So I'm not putting too much. I used this again the other day. I did notice a little grit buildup on the back rail. I stopped, wiped it down, and I put less grit on it. And as you see, I'm not getting any grit buildup on my front rail, my back rail, any rail. And you see the grind pattern. If you want, I will test them, and I'm sure they will come out perfect. Enjoy the Super Bowl.